Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. As this is going to be part 2 of the rain series, because yesterday it rained just light during the day where I'm at, and it's been Battle of Texas in New York. The reason why in New York, because Houston and Dallas, they don't allow other types of weather in there because they're roof stadiums, and the Cowboys are going to be home team because the Cowboys, I left them as a second favorite team, but the Colts are my favorite team. But I'm also going to be putting the Texans as a home team because I'm closer to Houston. And it's 1 p.m. rainy. Oh wait. Rainy. Okay. No. Oh, it's supposed to be heavy rain for tonight, but I don't think it was that heavy rain. Rainy. Because I was supposed to be putting heavy rain for the night game, but it's okay. Texans versus Cowboys. Match job 21. I'll just do the heavy rain setting next time it rains at night. Here where I'm at. Okay, so without further ado, I'll provide you with results at the end.